mistake. No worries, the gatherers now we got you. Your box, to the far left, you'll see what is called your lightsaber's chassis. All the way to the far right.
Push that up with one of our fingers, then we're going to grab our crystal, then we're going to place your bit to the top, and then use our thumbs to pinch into the divot in the bottom. This is the hardest part of our entire thing. If you need any assistance,
you hear that?
please let me know. Is it okay if I check that?
Yep.
Thank you. Excellent job.
It's an excellent job.
No, I mean, you said that before. You said, did you hear
I
it?
said, did you hear that? They started making noise, started singing.
I don't hear anything.
That must be her singing now. She's kind of singing.
Excellent work. All right, it's going to be in column 5 where we have 2 different matching sets of activation points. You are going to decide which matching set of activation points you like the best, and then you're going to look on your chassis where you have a red.
Your blade emitter, your control panel, your pummel cap. Do you have a favorite part of your lightsaber? Let's talk to you, my friend. Builder, what is your name? Marty. Marty, you built a very unique lightsaber. How does it connect to the Force? Legendary handed? The Empire collects power crystals to power a very powerful weapon known as the Death Star. But now, we will attempt to stabilize each one of your kyber crystals so you may safely act.
With many parts you began, yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined, much more they will become. It is time.
Whoa. Master Yoda. Yes, it is indeed time. We are at the final stage. The bond between Builder and Saber is about to be forged. In a few moments, I will ask the builders to move forward. Then, I will ask you to place your hand on your hilt. On my command and in tradition, you will activate as one. Builders, are you ready?
Yes.
Please, move forward. Place your hands on your hilts and activate. Builders, please, raise your lightsabers high. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith that came before you. And like them, you can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Well done. Now please, deactivate your lightsaber.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path.
Till the spire!
Till the spire!